Hello and welcome to this video on using limits and filters on OVID. Currently for our search we have 308 results, but we may want to reduce this down by publication year, study type and other factors. The limits can be found just under the search bar. To use the limits, you need to enter the line number of the results you want to limit, which in our case is line 10. We then just need to select our limits. I'm going to choose English language and the last 10 years. This has taken the results down to 233. The filters can be found on the left-hand side, and here also is another way that you can reduce by year. I'm going to filter by publication type as I just want randomized control trials. OVID has now taken out any results which are not RCTs. Please be aware that limits and filters can vary between Medline, Embase, MCare and the other databases. You may find that you need to reapply limits and filters as you rerun searches across the databases. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please see the help section just at the top of the page or contact your site library.